What are the biggest mistakes that cause sellers lose money with Amazon ads, and how could I avoid them? So when it comes down to biggest mistakes, what you're looking at is you want to understand what is bad, so you're not going to do what is bad rather than start the right way. Reason for that is that most of the time what I'm seeing most sellers lose money with Amazon ads is exactly what I just told you about. They are not going to look at, first off, asking this question. Then second, they are going to just follow the latest tips, tricks, whatever is available online and apply it to their account. Don't get me wrong here. I do believe that those are generally good things to know about when you come to the vision of, hey, I understand clearly what this trick means, what does it involve, how can I replicate this? Because right now, 6 years in Amazon ads and understanding Amazon ads, how they work and what are the things that are important, I can see on, hey, this latest tip, trick, and so on. Is there something that's relevant that's going to help me, or it's not? But 6 years ago, for me, it was like, that is exactly what I need to do in order to achieve more revenue, to be more profitable and so on, which was not the case. What I'm seeing and what is one of the biggest mistakes that is happening is if you don't know exactly what you're doing and you're still going to follow all the, the last best practices that are on Amazon and they're like on YouTube, especially like videos and so on, and you're going to apply them, it's great that you're learning. However, the downside of that is going to be now that you learn, you don't know how to replicate success because you did not fail, the same way how when we were walking, and you are not going to learn how to walk properly until you fell. Because if you fell, now you understand, okay, so I just fell. What happened? What I did not do? Gravitation exists, but besides gravitation, is it something that, I'm barely just starting to walk and I'm walking on like 10 inches, stilettos, or is it that I'm starting to run right away when I'm just barely starting to walk? So this is why I am considering first you have to fail. And in order to fail without failing you're going to ask these type of questions.